Hey guys, welcome back to One Slime at a Time. Today we're going to be unboxing a lot of things, but we're going to start with this Shopkins mini blindfold box. And I believe that there are lots of different series you can get, and there's a little family in each series. So I'm just going to open mine, and it's from the food series. He's a little sugar cube. Isn't he precious? I think he's really cute. And it comes with him, his little box, and the series finder thingy. I can't talk. I have no idea what that's called. Okay, but next we're going to do a Pikmi Palm. And Pikmi Palms are little donut toys. I really like them. You can collect them. There's small ones, big ones, and then huge ones. I have 2 small ones and 2 big ones, but this is a small one. It's got a little strawberry frosting, and it comes with a donut, a little note to say who they are, a finder thingy, still can't find that word, and a keychain for it. This is a spider, and she's really fluffy, and I love her so much. This next thing is an LOL. It's from I believe it's from the Disco series or Snow series or something, but it's really cool. One of my favorite series, actually. And this was a baby little sister, either pet or baby. I'm not going to spoil what I got. So in here it's a little different from usual. It's got a little stand, and here we have our, once again, still don't know there's stickers. And yeah, once again, I no idea what that's called. Next we have a little stand for it so it won't just roll. And then we have 3 blindfolded bags. And of course I have my trusty scissors with me, so I'm just going to cut that open. And I got little cute, adorable glasses, which I love. Next up, I got my pet. It's a pet. And you gotta wash this in order to find out what it really is. So that's really cool. I also got this little bag, and I think it's really cute. Okay, so I washed it, and that's how it turns out, and it's really cute. I didn't get the one I was hoping for, but it's still really cute. How many times have I said really cute? This is an XOXO friends. I really love their channel, and these are their toys. They have toys, and it came with 3 blindfold bags, and again, don't know what the word is. It first came with these little swappable wings. And then I found my bracelet, which I actually expected to be really stretchy, but it wasn't, which was kind of nice, so it wouldn't fall off all the time. And I got this cute, adorable green little piggy, and I put her wings on. And now to open another so he can have a friend, I got my 3 packets and a box. And so the first one is, yeah, you guessed it, a bracelet. And yeah, now I have 2 bracelets. They're matchy, but they say different things. That's kind of cool. And then I also have my wings, which are green, which match my pig, weirdly enough. And then we have my puppy. She's a pink puppy, and I think she's so cute. I love how she looks. Now I'm going to put her wings on, and now you can swap their wings. So that's just what I'm going to do. I'm going to give the green piggy green wings and the pink piggy yellow wings. Thank you so much for watching. I gotta go, so bye.